Here we have a System 9 MPU that came in earlier today. So issue with this was switch issues and lamp issues. So what I discovered here with the switches was a bad 3904 here at Q13, as well as, let's see, we had 1, 2, 3 TIP 42Cs that were bad. And then we also replaced 1, 2, 3, 4 2N6427s. So this transistor here had been replaced at one point, but the pre-driver, or I'm sorry, the 2N6427 was still the original, which was still causing issues there with that column. So that's been replaced and the issues are now alleviated. Both of the 6802s got a new socket. Both the ROMs got a new socket. We added NVRAM here to the board. Have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 capacitors, as well as all brand new 0.156 headers here throughout the board. So these are all square pin headers versus the round pin that Williams used from System 3 through 9. Which were just completely terrible. So there you see we have a full boot, last game played and the high score to date, and we've got the lamp matrix dancing, and the only coil that's on is the coin lockout. And we will go ahead and get this thing into test. So first we'll cycle through all the displays and into sounds, which we don't have a speech truck connected, so we won't have any speech coming off the MPU, but all the other sounds are working correctly. And we'll move into lamps. So all the lamps are working as they should be. And into solenoid test. So Williams System 9 only tested the standard 16 solenoids. The special solenoids are only switch controlled, and so we will go ahead and test those here. There's all 6 of the special solenoids. Those are all working correctly. And into the last test, which is going to be switches. So we'll go through diagonally through both the rows and columns. And the last switch in Comet is switch 50, so all the switches are working properly as well. And adjustment 18 is going to be free play, and I've already got that set to 0. So the board is 100% ready to go once again. And like I said, I've got the board set to free play. So we can go ahead and start a game there with 4 players, and just to show and score points here on the bench as well. It's just like the being in a pinball machine, except for I don't have the whole entire cabinet here in front of me. But thank you so much for sending it. Appreciate it.